What if I told you that you can start building passive income with zero money? No investment, no paid ads, no fancy tools. It sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? We're constantly bombarded with gurus selling expensive courses or promising riches if you just invest thousands of dollars you don't have. But the truth is, the internet has leveled the playing field. The barrier to entry for creating real, sustainable income streams has never been lower. It's not about having a fat wallet to start, it's about having the right strategy and the willingness to put in the initial work. I've spent years testing and validating these methods, and I can tell you from experience that it is absolutely possible to build something from nothing. In today's video, I'm not just going to give you vague ideas. I'm breaking down 5 real, actionable passive income streams you can start with literally $0. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a blueprint for building assets that can pay you over and over again. We'll cover how to leverage skills you already have, use free tools to create valuable products, and build systems that work for you, even when you're not actively working. Whether you're a student in a dorm room, a parent with a few spare hours, or just someone looking for a side hustle to escape the 9-to-5 grind, this video is for you. I'm going to give you the exact steps to get started, so you can walk away from this video with a clear plan. We're going to cover everything from content creation and affiliate marketing to selling digital and physical products without ever holding inventory. Make sure you watch till the very end, because the 5th and final method is the one I'm most excited about. It's the most underrated strategy right now. It leverages the power of AI, and the best part is, it works worldwide. You won't want to miss it. Let's get started. Before we start, let's be honest. Passive income does not mean zero effort. It means you put in work once, and you get paid repeatedly. The goal is to trade time upfront for income later. Now let's jump into the first income stream. Kicking things off with our first stream, content monetization. This is the engine behind platforms like YouTube, blogs, and even powerful social media accounts. It's one of the most accessible starting points for anyone looking to build an income online from scratch. The core idea is simple. You create valuable content once, and it continues to attract an audience, generate traffic, and earn you money for months, or even years, into the future. And the best part? You genuinely don't need money to start. The barrier to entry has never been lower. All you need is a smartphone and an internet connection. Your phone is your camera, your microphone, and your editing suite. Free tools like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve's free version are powerful enough for professional-looking video edits, and platforms like Canva allow you to design stunning graphics and thumbnails for free. The tools are available. The only missing ingredient is your action. But before you hit record, you need a plan. It starts with choosing your niche. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Instead, focus on the intersection of 3 things: what you're passionate about, what you have some knowledge in, and what problems a specific audience needs solved. Whether it's home fitness for busy parents, budget-friendly meal prep, or learning a new software, a clear niche helps you attract a dedicated community. Next, establish a consistent posting cadence. In the beginning, consistency trumps perfection. Aim for 1 to 2 high-quality posts or videos per week. This builds momentum with the platform's algorithm and sets an expectation for your audience. To make this manageable, map out your first 3 uploads. Your first piece of content should introduce who you are and the value you promise to provide. The second should be a cornerstone piece, a detailed guide or tutorial that solves a major problem for your audience. Your third can be a quick win, a short, actionable tip that gives your audience an immediate benefit. Once you have content and an audience, you can monetize. There are 4 primary ways you'll earn. First, through ads. On platforms like YouTube or a blog, you can earn revenue based on the number of views your content gets. Second, affiliate links. You recommend products you use and love and earn a commission when someone makes a purchase through your unique link. Third, brand deals. As your audience grows, brands will pay you to feature their products or services in your content. And fourth, digital products. This is where you create your own asset, like an ebook, a template, or a mini course, and sell it directly to your audience. This combination makes content a powerful, long-term strategy. Each video or blog post becomes a digital asset, working for you 24/7, potentially paying you for years from a single day's work. Next is affiliate marketing. You promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale, without creating or shipping anything. You can use YouTube videos, short-form content, blogs, social media. Best part? You don't need to buy the product. You just recommend it and get paid. Print on demand allows you to sell t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and hoodies without inventory. Platforms handle printing, shipping, customer service. You focus only on designs and marketing. You can start for free using platforms like print-on-demand marketplaces and free design tools. Digital products are one of the best passive income streams ever. Examples include ebooks, guides, checklists, templates, courses. You create it once and sell it unlimited times. No stock, no shipping, no overhead costs. This is how many creators earn while sleeping. This is the most underrated one. AI-powered content. You can create faceless YouTube channels, quote pages, short videos, educational content. AI helps with scripts, visuals, and voiceovers. Once the system is set, content can earn daily with minimal effort. Here's why most people fail. They quit too early, they chase too many ideas, they expect fast money, they don't stay consistent. Pick one method. Stay consistent for 90 days. That's where results happen. We've covered a lot of ground today, exploring 5 powerful, proven methods to build income streams from scratch. We've talked about content monetization, affiliate marketing, print on demand, digital products, and leveraging AI for automated content. Each one of these holds the potential to fundamentally change your financial future, moving you from trading time for money to building systems that work for you around the clock. But here's the most important takeaway from this entire video. Knowledge without implementation is just entertainment. The gap between where you are now and where you want to be is bridged by a single powerful force. Passive income with $0 is possible, but only if you take action. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the options. It's tempting to say, I'll research more, or I'll start next week when I have more time. But that's the trap of procrastination, the enemy of progress. The secret isn't finding the one perfect idea. It's about committing to one good idea and seeing it through. Perfection is a myth that paralyzes you. Action creates momentum. Action provides data. Action is the only thing that will turn these concepts into cash flow. Don't get stuck in analysis paralysis. The 90-day plan we outlined is your roadmap. It's designed to get you from 0 to 1. Choose one idea from this video and start today, not tomorrow. Today. Open a new tab and register that domain. Sketch out your first 3 video ideas. Create a free account on a print-on-demand site. Outline a simple checklist you can sell. Your first step doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be taken. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every successful passive income portfolio started with a single dollar earned from that first sale, that first ad click, that first affiliate commission. You are closer than you think. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with this single step, right now. If this video helped you, smash the like button, subscribe for more money and mindset content, and comment below which income stream you're starting first. Your engagement is the fuel for this channel, and seeing your comments is genuinely the best part of my day. Declaring your intention in the comments is a powerful act of accountability. It makes it real. I read every single one, and I can't wait to see what you're going to build. Let's create a community of action takers right here, right now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.